I hope my camera still works. It does, and it's recording. Hi guys, this is Meroon. I am a professional makeup artist based in Dubai. I have heard a rumor lately the YouTube makeup videos are not coming back. Guess what? YouTube used to be my favorite platform to share my thoughts and views on makeup. I have been absent in this platform for a really long time. I'm really sorry about that. So today I took this opportunity because I have a few new luxury makeup products on hand, and I thought, why not share the thoughts and try them out together. Please subscribe if you're new to my channel. The button is right down there. I'm pretty sure you know. And do not forget to share your thoughts on how, if you have tried any of this product, with me in the comment section. I would really love to hear your comments. All right. Hi guys. So I do not have any new primer, which I'm loving at the moment. There are these two, which I have been loving and using so much. This is by Wet n Wild. This I use for my T-zone, and this is the NYX Marshmallow Primer. This one I use on my entire face. So the foundation that I'm very excited to try with you guys today is this one. This is the NARS Light Reflecting Foundation, and I have got my shade in Valencia. So the consistency feels really light, and it did blend quite seamlessly with the blender, and it is actually a really good color match for me at the moment. So my face is really dry at the moment, but the way it applied, it did not accentuate any dryness on my face, which I'm really loving. So yeah, it gave me a really good medium coverage. So concealer wise, I do not have anything new, but I love this Hourglass Vanish concealer. This has been my ride or die concealer for a really long time. It blends seamlessly, it looks phenomenal on the skin, it is very long lasting. I love this over all the concealers that I have. If you can get just one concealer to try, give this one a go. You will love this one. So for my cream contour, I do not have anything new again. I'm trying to finish up my Huda Beauty Tantour cream bronzer in the shade Light. And this brush, you guys, this is by e.l.f. This is called the e.l.f. Putty Bronzer Blush. Sorry, brush. But this one, it is perfect to fit your cream contour right at the hollows of your cheeks. And the way it blends, just have a look. Like, look at this. It just gets the job done so fast and so quick. I love this one. Now to set underneath my eyes and around my T-zone, this powder that I have been using non-stop since the time I got it. This is the Givenchy Prisme Libre powder. So the way I apply it is I saturate this puff with the powder. I wish I could zoom you guys in, but I just want to show you the magic that it creates. See? Do you see the way this is blurring all the pores? Like, do you see the difference on two sides? I'm not sure if I did mention, my skin is really dry. So the way this powder works is it does not emphasize any dryness on my face. It blends in so well, and the way it blurs the pores, the fine lines, and it just holds the makeup so well till the end of the day. I am obsessed with this powder, you guys. So this is a new setting spray that I have been loving lately. This is by Charlotte Tilbury. This is like magic in a bottle. And dare I say, I might like it more than the Urban Decay All-Nighter, you guys. This sets the makeup, adds a beautiful glow, blends in everything. If you have added a little bit more powder, just spray this on your face and it will make it look everything so beautifully together. Like, I have no words for this. Try it yourself. You will not be disappointed. If you guys know me for a while, you know I love me a really good glowy bronzer. And for that, lately I have been using this by Terry Brightening CC Powder in the shade Sunny Flush. And the way I use it is with a stippling brush. So this I use it as a bronzer because this is not very pigmented, but this adds that beautiful sheen of a glow and warmth onto my face. I love this one. So Rare Beauty have launched these incredible highlighters. So I've got two shades. One is Exhilarate, which is a champagne-y, shimmery, glittery beautifulness. That is one swipe. Do you see this? This is the shade Flaunt. This is a little deeper. This is the shade Flaunt. So I'm going to use the shade Exhilarate in a stippling brush or duo fiber brush and just look at it. Like, I use this brush intentionally because I have used this before, and this is very, very, very pigmented. Loving this formula. Like, I love me a really good highlighter which will not be chunky or glittery. I do not like glitter onto my highlighters, but this is so soft. I mean, oh, so pretty, so pretty. Now, I generally do use a cream blusher first, and then I top it up with a powder blush. But I have a new powder blush to share with you guys. And this, oh my goodness, is heavenly, dare I say. This is the Valentino. So this brush comes with it, and I'm not going to use it, but this is the Valentino Eye to Chick. This is in the shade 01. Like, this is pigmented. Go in with a light hand. I am just dabbing it onto my cheeks. Do you see instantly? It just looks so much more youthful. I am in love with this formula. This formula is so beautiful. Like, this is a powder formula, yet it does not have any kick-ups, no fallouts, and it blends in like cream onto your face. This is glorious gorgeousness in a pan. This is the eyebrow pencil that I have been reaching for lately. So this is Too Faced pomade in a pencil. This is such a good eyebrow pencil. This is like a pomade, but it gives you the effects of a pomade, but it is in a form of a pencil. So it is so easy to use, and yet it looks so natural. You can make it intense if you want, or you can make it look natural if you want. Like, this is so long lasting. It never budge off, even when I'm in a pool or anywhere. This is a really, really good eyebrow pencil. And for my eyebrow gel, I have been loving this Kosas Airbrow. This shade in particular, the medium brown, this just adds like those highlighted bits on my brows, and it gives it like a three-dimensional look. So I like to use a little bit lighter for my eyebrow gel because my hair is a little lighter from my roots towards the end. So it blends in seamlessly and it matches with my hair. Okay, so I finished doing my eye makeup and I'm gonna put up the tutorial on my Instagram. I'm gonna put up the link down below here on the description. I don't know if I'll be able to link it right here, but definitely in the description box. But the eyes, you guys, this is just one eyeshadow that I have used. Are you guys ready for this? This is the Urban Decay Moondust eyeshadow in the shade Space Cowboy, I think. Yes, that's what it's called. So the Urban Decay Moonlight eyeshadows, I have the palette here for you just to show the difference in the size. So this is the palette that I have, and all these shades are like so gorgeous. These are very, very fine glitters. So this shade, it was not in the palette. So I had to get my hands on it because I love me a really good shimmer eyeshadow. So let me swatch it for you. But the swatch actually, doesn't do justice. Like, until you put it on your eyelids, like, just look at it. Just look at it. So pretty. I mean, on my eyelids, it is just so glistening, like incredible. And on my lips, you guys, can you guess what it is? I mean, oh, so pretty. This is what I got my hands on. This is the Fenty Velvet Liquid Lipstick. This is in the shade, the MVP01. And oh, this looks more like the uncensored liquid lipstick, but this feels so velvety. I mean, they're not overly drying, but oh, this feels so incredibly good. And the color payoff, you have to go see the Instagram tutorial. So I have another shade here, which I'm gonna try it for you. This is in the shade Riri, but first I have to move this. So I always like to line my lips. First, I'm gonna use this Sephora lip liner in the shade Vintage Rosewood. These lip liners are so underrated, you guys. These are very, very, very creamy, and the color payoff, you can see yourself. All right, now this packaging is so stunning. This definitely feels high-end. Okay, let's try on Riri. I really love these kind of lip colors. You are pretty. This, I did not even do any double dipping. So you can see how pigmented are these. Like in real life, it definitely looks a little bit more mauvey than it's translating on the camera. This lip shade, you guys, this is like for my skin tone, which is medium tan, is perfect nude. It is so pretty. So that's all for today for this trying out luxury makeup. I hope you guys have enjoyed this and this was helpful for you. Do not forget to check the makeup tutorial that I did on my Instagram. Until next time, take care. Happy Ramadan and a very happy Eid in advance.